Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Academy. The aim of this lesson is how to search for right research article. So to search the right and quality research article or a review article or conference article or book chapters or any other patents, we must select the right keywords. So in this today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to choose the right keyword so that we can find and we can get and we can achieve the right quality research paper in quality journals. Okay, so uh, especially that is in Scopus. So this is our Scopus interface where we have different sections such as documents, author's name. We can search papers directly using author's name and their orchid ID and the respective keywords. If somebody wants to discover other discoveries and organization as well. So in this today's lesson, we are only focusing on research documents. Okay. So again, there is another filter such as if you select this search within domain, here we have different type or different ways we can search the paper by first author name or keywords only or some affiliation country or affiliation name. So let's select the article title, abstract and keywords as it is. And here we can search the document using keywords or directly abstract or directly title of the article. Okay. So I will show you what is the difference between the choosing the right keyword. This is the main and a major thing before getting any quality research. Okay. Suppose for example, I will show you, for example, I will show you mechanical engineering is our keyword, isn't it? Mechanical engineering or chemical engineering or electrical engineering or CSE, computer science engineering. Okay. Or chemistry, physics, biology, isn't it? So there are different keywords. So if you observe this mechanical engineering or electrical engineering, there is a two words. So I will show you the difference. Okay, so this is very important uh, before before searching any research article, isn't it? So I will show you what is the exact difference. For suppose we will type mechanical engineering. So let's enter. Okay, so here what do we observe? There are uh, various items we have. If you come to the left side of this, so here we can filter. We can filter. There are a lot of things. I will explain you them. But the major important thing here is when we search for mechanical engineering keyword, what do we observe here? Total how many numbers of documents we found? Around 2 lakhs, not exactly 2 lakhs 93,196. This is our number, isn't it? So these many documents we found for mechanical engineering keyword. Are you assuming this correct? I will show you what is exactly the difference. If you select, we are assuming that this mechanical engineering keyword is a single word. No, no. I will show you the another difference. If you select this quotation, if you give the quotation, now see the difference. What do we observe? Now the total number of documents are 61,000. Why there is a difference? This is what this is what uh, like a background, the programming behind the tool of the Scopus or anywhere else. This when we started using this quotation, then it is considering this term, this two words as a single word, isn't it? But earlier they are considering mechanical engineering as a two words. If for suppose there are some papers, they have only single word, that is mechanical, they also consider that. And there are some keyword engineering, so some papers have only engineering word, so those paper also consider. That is why. And there are some papers both of the words have in different areas. Suppose in one papers we have different section like introduction, methods, and results and discussion, conclusion. So mechanical keyword can be anywhere else within single paper, or engineering keyword or anywhere else. So that is why earlier we got around 2,93,000 papers, but this time we got only 61,000. So this is major difference where we guys struck. So that is why I am highlighting, and I am um, suggesting you to choose the right keyword. So keyword can be include one word or two word or three word. It is a keyword means it is a phrase. Okay, so that is why I'm suggesting you to choose the right keyword. For suppose now we can do for other experiments. Suppose electrical engineering. Let's see what is going to happen. Now total amount of documents we have 1,35,000. Okay, if you give the quotation, if we give the quotation, let's see, now 56,000. This is what I am highlighting to you guys. Choose the right keyword or right phrase. So as I said, keyword can include more than one word. Okay, so that's why be careful while choosing the right keyword to get the right research paper in your research field or in your research domain, for your PhD or for your masters, for your bachelor's, or for any case. So it is very important to choose and to know and to give the right keyword to reach or to achieve the right research article. So with this I am closing, and I hope you understand the value of choosing the right keyword and getting the quality or right amount of research paper within your field. So if you have any comments, please let me know. I will clarify you. So thank you.